In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portfolios in Asana. A portfolio is a powerful tool for keeping your projects organized and easy to manage. Whether you're a project manager coordinating multiple teams or simply trying to streamline your workflow, knowing how to utilize this feature can make a world of difference. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your Asana interface. This is essentially your control center for managing projects, and on this panel, you'll find the Portfolios option. It's positioned among several other features on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you locate Portfolios, give it a click. This is where you'll see any existing portfolios you've created in the past. It provides a comprehensive list, giving you an overview of all the projects and portfolios you've been working on. Now, to create a new portfolio, look for a button that simply says Create. It's typically easy to spot, designed to encourage you to start something new. Clicking that button is your first step toward building a brand new portfolio. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your portfolio. Think about something descriptive yet concise. This will help you recognize your portfolio at a glance among other projects. After naming your portfolio, it's important to decide its privacy settings. You can choose between making it public or keeping it private to ensure that only the necessary team members have access to it. The next step involves selecting your default view. You have three options here: List, Timeline, or Workload. Each view offers unique advantages. Choose the one that best suits your needs. The List view is great for a straightforward, itemized look at your projects. The Timeline view, on the other hand, provides a chronological snapshot, perfect for tracking deadlines. Lastly, the Workload view allows you to manage how team resources are distributed across different projects. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click Continue. This will finalize your portfolio setup, and there you have it, a fully functional portfolio ready for you to populate with projects and tasks. You can now quickly access your newly created portfolio on the left panel, nestled under Projects. Here, you can hover over the portfolio folder to quickly peek at all the projects it contains, providing a quick access point that saves you time in the long run. For a broader view, click back on Portfolios to see a list of everything you've created. And that's all it takes to create portfolios in Asana. With this tool at your disposal, managing complex projects will become a much more streamlined, efficient process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as it is easy to use. Happy organizing!